My video is about removing the online scam that is related to the website Protectwatch.xyz. So, Protectwatch.xyz is a junk site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This junk site tries to deceive people and to make them actually download and install some potentially unwanted applications. Protectwatch.xyz claims to be related to some well-known security program, but in reality it is not related to that program. When people start interacting with these pop-ups, they may be forwarded to some other deceptive pages that promote a totally different software, so you should not interact with these pop-ups and stay away from downloading or installing anything that they promote. If any potentially unwanted software was mistakenly installed, make sure you carefully check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. So if you don't remember installing them directly, uninstall them. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.